let's go ahead and jump on into it. Steve-O, since you're the guest and you're the Solana Maxi, where do you want to start?
Okay, for the record, I'm not a Solana Maxi.
Come on, own it. Own it, man.
No,
You're just a savant.
Yeah.
I mean,
you just put the tip in just for a minute.
It's it's my favorite horse. I like other horses. I have an Avalanche wallet. But again, they got great developers. They know how to develop good DeFi protocols, AI protocols, and they're into everything. And one of our debates before was about the one trick pony chain. And that's why I like Solana, because it's the everything chain. You got a little bit of everything on it, and especially DeFi. Right now is kicking ass. They're like, if you don't know, the Aave, the lending and liquidity manager protocol on Solana. I could just go on and on and on. Jito is like the Lido of Solana, the liquid staking and restaking protograph. There's liquid restaking on Solana. A lot of people don't know this. Liquid restaking with a protocol called Fragmetric. Honestly, I've never used it, but think of like EtherFi, or I don't know if you guys have heard of.
Real quick, Steve-O. Where are you wanting to start? I don't necessarily want to start going through, kind of line items. Just kind of in general, where do you want to start? Do you want to start with, the latest news? Do you want to start with DeFi? Do you want to start with RWAs? Kind of what topic would you like to start?
Well, I guess DeFi, since I've started DeFi.
All right.
I just want to educate people of all the different DeFi protocols on Solana. There's a lot of money, a lot of activity with DeFi on Solana, and the metrics prove it on DeFiLlama.com. I cannot
let's go more that route instead of getting super granular, just for the sake of time. I don't want to go through like all the protocols, but we can definitely, if you want to kind of talk me through where you want to point the viewers. I'm on DeFiLlama, and I'm more than happy to pull up any data that you want to go over.
Click on the revenue tab for all chains, or go DeFiLlama/chains. So we can look at all the chains, right? We'll compare the Solana DeFi to Ethereum and everybody else. Click on the revenue tab when you're on chains.
Where are you seeing revenue?
Hold on, I gotta go on mine.
Well, basically what we can go over is right here. You can see Ethereum is just the undisputed 800-pound gorilla. Love it or hate it. I'm not a huge fan of Ethereum, but you can't ignore its role. It's the 800-pound gorilla. It has almost 68% of the market share. In second, you have Solana. That's about just over 8.5%. And then, after that, you got Bitcoin. You got Binance, Binance chain, and you just on down the road. So this is what I usually look at when I want to see what is going on with liquidity flows. Now, if we let's actually go back to here and go to Solana, and we can see.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
And then scroll down and click on the revenue tab. Scroll down.
Oh, you're talking about this app revenue 24 hours?
Nope, scroll down. Right there. And then see where it's on volume. Yep, check it the volume. Revenue. Yep. Yeah. And then I like to look at the revenue numbers, because that's how much the protocol's drawing in. So if you want to, I like to look at longer time frames, like 7 days, 30 days, a year. But if you just want to click on sort by revenue by 7 days and see who's drawing in the most money for Solana.
Of course, it's pump.fun, with all the memes.
But it's more than just memes, right? It's people like me, you, anyone who just wants to jump in and do a live stream. And then, you can shill the coin that you created. Pump gets a lot of hate. It's just memes. But I think it's more than just memes. But regardless, the bottom line is it draws in a lot of money. And
without a doubt, it draws in a ton of money. But for the most part, and we're streaming on it right now, but a lot of the revenue generated, and I shouldn't do air quotes because it is actually revenue generated.
Yeah, money's money.
Oh, but we had to create a token just so that we could stream there, and then you have
Right.
everybody launching all their memes there. So
Right.
all of that, it's like a casino. If a casino has a lot of money in it, that's kind of what I see pump.fun is.
I don't think it's a casino, my man. I think it's more of an individual retail, if you will.
It's a bunch of retail that's trying to get rich on meme coins. They're going to put a couple $100 on a meme coin and hope that a million exit. It's the draw of meme coin.
But here's my point:
we love to gamble. That's why we invest.
Good money. It's drawing in good money now during bad sentiment, arguably a bear market. Imagine what Pump can do when retail comes back.
Not debating that at all. Pump.fun creates a ton of revenue, a ton of TVL, a ton of traffic. It's volume, all of that. It 100%. But I mean, it is what it is. It's a meme coin platform that you can stream on. I mean,
this was traditional finance. That reminds me, like pump.fun would be like the OTC penny stock market in stock. Yeah.
All right. So moving on, get away from scroll back down, please.
Oh yeah.
To more traditional DeFi products. Jupiter, yep. Which is
Jupiter. Now that's a whole nother story. Go ahead. Sorry.
Yep, that's okay. You can do derivatives and leverage trading on Jupiter. Phantom's a wallet. Meteora is a DEX AMM. It's like basically a new Radium. I don't know. I don't think they have a whole lot of DeFi going on it. Going down the list, there's Radium. Helium's a DePIN project. If you want to scroll down a little bit more, see what names I can recognize. Drift, Futures, Perps.
Drift was taken off there for a minute, but it's kind of died off.
Yeah, it has. To be honest with you, I had a few Drift coins. I sold them all when I heard Anatoly, the co-founder of Solana, say we want to build a perp protocol. I was a little confused by that because is having some issues. I didn't really dig into the details about it, but I pulled out a Drift. There's Marinade, a staking pool, all sorts of good stuff. But
I know there's some really cool DeFi with Maple, the token, for them, and it's some very unique DeFi, and it's something that David showed me. I'll have to talk to him about it. Maybe bring it up tomorrow for the DeFi masterclass. But go ahead. I mean, I was just wanting to know if you knew anything about that.
Yeah, I do. I like Maple. It's on.
Well, no, just the advanced strategies. Like you can Maple. I'm wanting to say is a yield bearing token. I could be wrong. So you can earn just by holding it, and then you can use it as to lend. And then once you lend it, then you can borrow against it and do what we call looping. So,
oh wow, okay.
There was some anyway. Excuse me.
Okay. Whoa. I always wondered what looping meant. I just learned something. Okay, that's cool. I'm pretty sure you're right, and I'm pretty sure Maple's on some other chains, not just Solana. And something I discovered relatively recently, just a couple weeks ago. Read the definition of. You just hover the cursor over holders revenue and read the definition of holders revenue and incentives, because I think I stumbled across something huge.
Well, I don't want to get too in the weeds with data. Sorry, it would just we only have another 45 minutes. So if we get too laser focused, then we end up not being able to cover all the alpha, because we haven't even started getting to the the news, like what alpha's out there. So
yeah, but this is super important, because this is where the money goes into the holders.
I get that. I get that. But people can go and seek out this data on their own. And if we have time, we can touch on it. We really need to get to the news and what is making Solana go from what it was to what it potentially can be with other chains, and that interoperability and those bridges being built between Base, Ethereum, because that's where the alpha is. Solana.
Yeah. So right now, Solana, like you said, the huge bridge to Ethereum and the Base.
Well, here,
Solana.
Somebody put this list together, and it's a really nice, just little list that I can go down real quick, and then we can just kind of cherry pick from that. And let's let Jeff kind of pick the which one that we zero in on. So JP Morgan arranged US commercial paper issuance on Galaxy using Solana. Coinbase previewed in-app DEX trading for Solana tokens. State Street and Galaxy to debut a tokenized private liquidity fund on Solana. Blockworks and Solana unveiled Lightspeed, crypto's first investor relations platform. Ellipsis Labs produced Phoenix Perpetuals, a Solana native perps exchange. Animica Brands announced it will tokenize its equity via Join Republic, Market Node, and Lion Global. Soulflare gifted its Shield hardware wallet to all Breakpoint attendees. Not a big deal. Opened export for institutions to mint tokenized stocks from real world equities. That's big because that goes into RWAs and tokenization and basically the New York Stock Exchange and things like that, to where, and there's a bunch already. You have tokenized Tesla stock and Microsoft stock and Amazon stock. So, that is an onboarding of real world assets onto Solana. KaleFi announced a $500 million fund for Solana RWAs. SolisFi confirmed its upcoming token generation event. Let's see if we can hit some highlights here. This is quite the list. Galaxy positions Solana as the only chain capable of scaling tokenized securities. The CEO of Circle highlighted Solana's USDC volume supremacy and infrastructure adoption. And let's go ahead and hit this Chainlink and Pendle one. Highlighted Solana's sustainable uptime, processing 200 billion transactions in 2 years, surpassing all other chains combined. That's big. PT, which is the principal token on Pendle, SUSDE, is coming to Solana and landing on Camino, powered by Chainlink. This is something that you're going to see later on in the show. There's a lot of things going on with Chainlink, Solana, Base, Ethereum. So where do you want to start, Jeff?
Well, I think since tomorrow got the Coinbase, the Base event, start with the Coinbase DEX with Solana tokens.
Hold on. There we go. Why did it? And never mind. This freaking platform is annoying me. All right. So I'm not even sure if anybody freaking heard what I went through. So let's just, which one do you want to zero in on, Jeff?
Yeah, the Coinbase Solana DEX, since the Base event is tomorrow.
Yeah.
We can start with that.
So what about it? Jeff?
I mean, highlighting. I don't know